Mabuhay, this is Alexi from Davao City. At this moment, we are going to go back to our office, not go home. To go back to our office because we are still on duty today. We came from to our meeting today with my fellow employees, my merchandisers. Sakay ako. Ano ba tong sakyan mo, Ray? Montero? Fortuner, Ray? Montero. Black Montero. Happy ko kay very supportive ang ako ang isa ka tao. Ang iyang pangalan si Ryan Alcho kaning nag-drive. Siya pag nag-drive. Libre ni, walay bayad.
Ipit na sir. Ipit na sir.
Inspired kay si Ryan. Anong inspired bang ka, Ray? Kaya nakauyab bang gud siya? Nasa uyab eh.
Sir, kay mapatay na sa usawa nila.
Nasa uyab. I don't talk, wala ko kabalo, di ko masaba.
Sigawan ni mo sir.
Pauli namin sa office, ihatod ko niya. Nasa likod ang ako ang mga co-employees, taga-ano ni sila, taga-outbase, dili alalay, fellow employees, co-employees. Sila ang ako ang frontliner nga ginaasahan ako sa outbase. Ang ilahang trabaho is salesman. Salesman ni sila in charge sa mga produkto. Happy ko sila because they are very nice and they are very hardworking people. They give us sales, they give us profits in our company. That's why our client, our company, and of course, our company as well are still existing. I am very grateful to these people because they are the frontliner. They are the middlemen. Thank you everyone. Salamat. Thank you to all my friends, my followers who are always giving me the support. To all my friends, please continue to subscribe my YouTube channel and to my Facebook Reels. God bless everyone.